Fresh Funds provides individuals with customized stipends to spend on specific categories. You can expect to receive your code via email, flyer, QR code, or website. You will land on the Fresh Funds homepage, where you can enter your code. You can scroll down the page to learn more or select Continue. Next, you log in or sign up. If you received your Fresh Funds code via email, ensure you use that same email on Instacart. Once logged in, you can see your Fresh Funds criteria. This is only illustrative and will vary by program and customer. You can double-check your credit on the homepage by selecting the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of your homepage. Select Track Credits and Promos, and the Fresh Funds credit will appear here. Select the eye next to the credits to view the benefit term details. These benefits vary by program and customer. To begin shopping, enter your delivery address at the top. Select a store and start adding items. Only eligible items will have a Fresh Funds icon. Other icons like EBT Snap could appear depending on the customer profile. Select an item. The detail page will also show a Fresh Funds icon. Proceed to checkout and add your delivery details. After you add a backup payment method, your Fresh Funds credit will be automatically reflected in your total. Once orders are placed, a hold is put on your credit card to cover any charges to your total that exceed your Fresh Funds balance, such as item additions or substitutions, or variances in items sold by weight. Happy shopping!